Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy broccoli and cheese quiche. This simple method is perfect for any home cook, whether you are a beginner or just looking for a quick meal. We will cover everything from preparing your fresh ingredients to baking it to golden perfection. Get ready to enjoy a warm, savory dish that is sure to impress your family and friends with minimal effort. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You will need 1 9-inch store-bought pie crust to save time. For the star vegetable, steam about 1½ cups of fresh broccoli florets until they are tender crisp and vibrant green. Next, shred 1 cup of your preferred cheese. Cheddar or Gruyere work wonderfully. Finally, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1½ cups of whole milk or half and half for that rich, creamy custard. Now for the fun part, assembly. Start by spreading your perfectly steamed broccoli evenly across the bottom of your pie crust. Then, generously sprinkle the shredded cheese over the broccoli layer. Carefully pour the whisked egg and milk mixture over everything, ensuring it's distributed well. Pop it into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 35 to 45 minutes until golden brown. Your delicious broccoli and cheese quiche is ready when the center is set and the top has a beautiful golden brown hue. To ensure perfect slices, let it cool for at least 10 minutes before cutting into it. This allows the custard to fully set. Serve it warm for a delightful breakfast, a satisfying brunch, or even a light dinner. Any leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, if it lasts that long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.